The 2000 MTT Y2K is a revolutionary motorcycle known for being the world's first production bike powered by a turbine engine. Equipped with a Rolls-Royce Allison 250 C18 gas turbine engine, it produces an astonishing 320 horsepower, giving it incredible acceleration and top speeds exceeding 402 km per hour. The Y2K's unique turbine powertrain delivers unmatched performance and a distinct sound, setting it apart from conventional motorcycles. Known for its jaw-dropping speed and innovation, the MTT Y2K remains one of the most iconic and extreme motorcycles ever built.